Okay. Today I'm gonna try to show you guys just a little bit about the install the ladder on my Xterra Pro-4X, and I bought this rear ladder from some place. I will show you just very fast install, not too much detail, and the product is pretty good. They make it steel and painting very nicely, no crack. I think I bought it from this place, but the ladder is a GOBI ladder. I don't know what happened, but yeah, it came with the plate. This plate gonna be tied to top right there underneath and screwed in, and this bar right here from the bottom of the trail. I mean the back door. I mean, yeah. So this is it, and some instruction. I will look at it. I come with all these screw and nuts. Yes. Okay. From here to here, 7.25 here. Okay, this is the back. Right here. They have two holes, one hole right here, one hole right here. I'm gonna screw it, so it's tightening the bracket to the trunk door. It's tighter. Right now I put one screw here, this small screw, and one screw right here. I have to tighten it up, okay? It's a little bit hard because it's not all the way go. Has the room to do it, but I have to turn a little bit at a time. Right now I hook on the top, and then I'm gonna mark it from here to here, and then I peel all this tape, and then should be okay, done. The bottom could look like this. Screw it, and in the back should be look like this. Should be these two screws. The screw, these two, and then the ladder should be done. Yep. This is gonna be complete, done. It'll be strong, sturdy. When I shake it, the car shake it too. So this for Pro 4X 2012. So that's it.